What's up everybody, John from Old Reading Farm here. Thanks for joining us. Today we are going to go through and add nesting boxes to the outside of this coop. Right now currently our chickens have nesting boxes inside, but so we are going to give them a little bit more space and we're going to stick them kind of on the outside here with an entrance on the inside. Let me show you what our plans look like. So our chickens currently have 6 nesting boxes, and so we are going to give them 6 more. Just like this, just a little box, like a little house, shaped just like that on the outside. We're going to set it up so that there's 6 nesting boxes on the outside. We won't be able to get at it from the outside, but this will just give them a little more room to roam on the inside and give me a chance to reset their roosting bars to be a little bit more economical, both for us cleaning the coop and for them sleeping. Let's get to it. All right, so here we have the skeleton for our nesting boxes. So it's just gonna be, there's gonna be 2 rows up here and down here. And so we have these little old planter containers that we have been using that have been working really, really well. So basically there's gonna be 3 that sit next to each other there. And there's gonna be 3 that hang from the top there. And so how I did this was up here on the top I used my Craig jig to cut some pocket holes, so that holds these together real nice. When I pull the wall down, I'm basically just going to fasten all these boards. Because they're front facing, I can go right in there into the studs and should be all secure and good to go. So next I am going to have to take the wall down, put some siding back up and put them all together and hope that it works. Let's get to work. Okay, so use just some old fencing for the bottom here. So here's what I got. The nesting boxes are 43 or so inches wide. Let's see, 42. So they're 42 inches wide and I've got 44 inches of space between here. The reason why the nesting boxes are smaller is because I wanted to make sure that when the door opened, it wouldn't block. Because I don't know if you've watched any of my other videos, but I suck at hanging doors. So I just wanted to make sure that there were no problems with this. So what I'm doing now is I'm connecting these 3 studs by just basically a 2x4 here. And so that is what is gonna connect the front plate there. Since I can't connect the whole or both sides of this to studs, I'm gonna run a board further out, connect this to the board, and then connect the board on the outside to the studs. So you can see this one is hitting all 3 studs, so that's gonna be nice and sturdy, and then I can just screw right into that, and it basically will be the same as if I was screwing right into the studs. And there's not gonna be a whole lot of weight on this. It's really light anyway, so it should be fine. So now I'm just gonna add the other bar here, screw that together, and hopefully we'll be on to the next step, which will be siding and roofing. All right, so all is well. Nesting boxes are on there. They are sturdy. They are not going anywhere. And looking good. So next thing I'm gonna do is set the roof. And this is pretty good. I think I should be able to get to go like right under here, because I was a little worried about the drip coming from here. But if I can get the roofing to slip under this, then that would mean I wouldn't need to worry about that. So yeah, so I'm gonna double check and make sure everything is secure. Then I'm gonna start with the roof and then siding. Woo! Here we go. All right, so we have now finished the nesting boxes. And please excuse the mess, still a little bit of a work site over here. And we have also painted the coop. So now, whoop-ah! Looking real nice. So we got the corrugated tin roofing, got some trim, covering up all the holes, yada yada. So I also added some new roosting bars for these ladies. They greatly enjoy that. And so I've made it a little easier to clean in here. You know, I'm 6'4", so anything in here is gonna be tight for me. So these are the girls. This is Fajita right there. But anyway, yeah, so the nesting boxes. We got this here to keep them from kicking all the shavings out. We got the same thing up top, and then we got a little bar that they can jump onto to get in there. And it has been working real well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. Be sure to leave us a comment, let us know what you think, throw us a like, and as always, please subscribe. Check you next time.